Oh, what do we have here? This one is titled, She Kicked the Police Car Door Open and Instantly Regretted It by Watch Cop Cam.
Let's go. I'm finna get you out. Orlando.
We fighting at Taco Bell?
Please get out. Let's go.
This a bougie Taco Bell.
Orlando, please get out. He wants you out. It's time to leave. It doesn't matter. He wants you out. It's time to leave. I'm going to arrest you if you don't get out. You
can tell by them boots, she don't give a fuck. Cause who the fuck would just be wearing some shit like that outside?
Yeah. You want to press charges?
A spoiled princess does though.
Yes, I do. Okay. She punched the girl in the mouth. Okay.
Ooh.
That girl girlfriend right there. She hit her in the mouth. You can go. Leave or you.
Look at her. She like, whoa, bitch, whoa. That tells you everything you need to know right there. She's the aggressor. She probably been drinking too much. What police? Ah, damn, we can't even see.
Made this really simple for me.
Very.
I am.
What's your name?
Officer Brooks.
Thank you. What's your
It'll be all on your paper.
She is not finna remember that shit. I don't even know why people be asking that shit.
Paperwork 33066. Delta 17. I got a Bravo Foxtrot 1015.
Orlando, home of the Looney Tunes.
Do you have any type of ID on you or anything?
It's in my friend's bag. They're the ones who attacked me.
I don't care. I told
shit.
you to leave and you refused to leave.
Okay, but I was waiting for my food. Like,
Get in the car.
I'm waiting for my food.
Get in the car.
That's crazy. They never do nothing wrong, right?
What is your name?
I didn't
What?
do shit.
It's. I'm not sure. She was acting absolutely crazy in there.
I wasn't acting crazy.
What is your name?
Nothing.
What is your name?
My name is.
My name is Tony.
That's fine. So if you refuse to identify yourself, you're going to be booked
I'm
under
sorry.
Orlando with no
Sorry, she left herself open for that one.
you won't get out of jail. Right now, you have a bond. If you refuse to identify yourself, you're going to go to jail.
Call my boyfriend.
I'm giving
Man, she already going to jail.
you one last
You don't
chance.
see how she acting?
Try and book you under there as Jane
Cassandra.
Doe. All right, that's fine.
Cassandra, call Raven.
Don't walk up to that car.
Usher
You
Raymond?
hear me? Do not approach
I just want to get your attention.
that car.
I'm gonna come to the car.
If you want to see what they did, that girl down there is bleeding all over her face.
Ooh.
All right, All right, she's going to be
Damn, bro, why you so invested in women drama?
booked under Jane Doe. Please do not identify herself. Do not kick my car.
I need to call my boyfriend.
Get in the car and stop
I didn't
moving.
do anything to
Stop moving. You're not going to kick my car.
anything. I wasn't. I need to call my boyfriend. How the fuck am I supposed to get out? I didn't do anything to them.
Oh, my bad.
They did it. I didn't do
Baby, you the aggressor. You don't see how you act and shit.
anything to them.
I gotta go to the office and get my car.
Oh, that is a big no-no. Your ass going to jail.
I didn't do anything to them. I literally.
How the fuck she kicked the door off the handle?
Back up, you're gonna go to jail too. You have a hot tie? Nope.
Now you got to get hog-tied. That's really embarrassing to get hog-tied.
I didn't do anything to y'all. Literally. Y'all got me so. Y'all got me so.
Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Stop grabbing my hand. You literally are. Stop pulling away. You are consistently resisting by pulling your arms away. Stop. Stop.
She was fighting on that lady because she missing nails. Look at that shit.
Y'all got me so up. Officer Brooks, and whoever the f else you are, you're gonna lose your f***ing job. I swear to f***ing God, y'all got me so up. I didn't do anything. Because I didn't do fucking anything. The attacked her. The attacked her.
Are they on both legs? No.
Is she still moving? Them motherfuckers always got the cameras out doing it. What the fuck is that gonna do, baby? They got body cams now. Body cams been the best thing since sliced bread, you hear me?
This girl just attacked the car. And getting away? Because I didn't do anything. I literally didn't do anything to them, bro. A white couple, a white lesbian couple. They attacked her. And you want to put her hurting my hand. You want to put her under arrest? I'm in pain. That hurts. That hurts. Can you like...
Get out. She kicked the shit out that dog. I would not want to get kicked by her. That's like getting kicked by a horse.
I didn't even do anything, bro. I didn't even do it. Please call my boyfriend, Cassandra. I don't even care. Just call Raymond and tell him to come get me, bro. I can't even. He's gonna yo up. I swear to God.
Now watch how they gotta carry you to the car because you decided you wanted to kick the car like you was Captain American shit.
Call Raymond, please. Right now, bro.
Call Raymond.
What the hell happened, bro? I didn't even do anything. You were talking about I was resisting and shit. I didn't do anything.
Just take my door and almost broke it.
World star. No, let me stop.
You got stuff on there. That's yours. Oh, that's your stuff on there.
And she gotta hurry up and put her camera back in the thing. Boy, I would have kept that shit out. And look, they messy. They over there eating their food and shit. They got a whole show. Free 99.
Are y'all okay? Everybody okay?
Be like, y'all want some of this taco?
That's why y'all can't come downtown on that drunk shit. You see what happened? Y'all come downtown on that drunk shit. Y'all go to jail.
Look, her friend not even standing up for her. She just letting them talk shit. She ain't no friend for real.
Y'all go to jail. Sorry. Let me tell you.
And she took her phone.
How
the fuck? She is strong than a bitch.
She's tied up.
She's tied up and she's doing that?
How is she doing that if she's tied up? Because she's so tiny.
You duh. You gonna be in pain when you kicking shit like that, Bruce Lee.
So, I'm just gonna get her down there.
Bruce Leanna shit.
All right. Record if she wants to record. Nothing wrong with recording.
Wait, am I gonna see this on like this?
Yeah.
The live PD.
We're gonna go.
I was watching them.
I'm sorry, y'all. I'm childish. I still keep thinking about that comment I made talking about some world star.
What the fuck? Like, I can't defend myself. Y'all are weird as fuck. I swear to God, y'all are gonna feel this shit tomorrow. I swear to God, I'm telling my dad, and it's gonna be fucking over.
Who is your dad again? I want to know like Joe.
I swear to God. Y'all do not know who y'all are messing with. I never did it to anybody. Like, the bitch was attacking me. What the fuck am I? And my friends. What am I supposed to do? I told you I'm free.
Well, I'm sorry. You shouldn't have kicked my door like that.
She kicked that motherfucker off the hinges, you hear me?
They were the ones that were bothering me. Like, they came and were over me.
You'll have your day in court. I'm done. I'm done with this conversation, ma'am. I'm done with this conversation, ma'am.
Like, what am I supposed to do when two people are on top of my friend? I wasn't doing anything. I just think it's weird.
13, you show myself 14 and 10 hours, no go up.
I didn't do anything to them. Like, I genuinely was just...
Oh, JB, block.
You did something to him.
Due to these actions, the female was turned over to jail staff and was safe
Damn, they got the whole squad outside for her.
booked due to her actions. The female told jail staff her name was Ariana Watson. However, a check of all law enforcement databases did not confirm this name as her identity. Therefore, the female booked into BRC as Jane Doe and placed on a no bond and an additional charge of resisting officer without violence due to her refusing to identify herself to law enforcement.
What a big dummy. Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. This is actually the video that I was about to reply to. Do next. Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, share button as well, as it helps the channel out tremendously. And that's it, baby. We out.